Hey man, the cat is officially out the bag, bro. It ain't no, build up, no leading into anything about these Black Cement Air Jordan 3 remasters that we're gonna be getting this year. And I'm honestly, already knowing it's gonna be a lot of people disappointed, and I'm going to let you guys know the full details, the full rundown of what I'm talking about in regards to these Air Jordan 3 Black Cement remasters. Man, we gotta talk about it, man. Let's get right to it. All right, guys, so recently we got the release of the Air Jordan 3 Alma Manier. I have a pair right here, man. When I opened them up, I said, hold on, bro. I said, hold on. This pair is crazy. I'm talking about the leather, the quality, the overall hits, the craftsmanship. It ain't nothing wrong with this shoe. You can't find a speck out of place, you know what I'm saying? I was giving this shoe that much, I can say credit, because when it comes to Alma Manier and Jordan Brand, they always, come top notch when it comes to the quality, when it comes to the leather, when it comes to everything about the sneaker. They actually put some thought into it, but not this go around when we're talking about the Air Jordan 3 remasters, man. I done seen some photos, I done seen some videos, bruh, and I can honestly say I am disappointed, bro. I'm disappointed, man. The main reason I'm disappointed is because back in 2016, we got the Air Jordan 3 True Blues. And follow me real quick. Follow me real quick. We got the Air Jordan 3 True Blues. When I tell you, bro, the quality was bad. It was bad. I know anybody watching this video can attest to it. I literally have a pair right over here. Let me grab them 1 sec. You guys don't mind how dirty they are, but you guys see, you know what they are, man. It's the True Blues. You know what we talking about here, bro. But if you have a pair from 2016, you've seen that they had the pebble look, the good looking quality, the quote unquote pleather, whatever you do want to say, but it is terrible. It creases bad. It doesn't hold up. I haven't worn this pair in so long just because how uncomfortable these joints actually are. But we all wanted these in 2016, and they hiked the price up to like $220 or like $225, some crazy amount of money they did for these joints right here. Now, leading to these Black Cement Air Jordan 3 remasters, we're gonna be getting a better shape, overall. But in terms of the quality and the leather, bro, it is not going to be good, which means a couple of things. It's gonna be a lot of pairs of these. Don't get me wrong, it's gonna be a lot of pairs of the Air Jordan 3 Black Cements, but it's gonna come at a cost. It's gonna come at a cost, and that is gonna be the leather quality and overall craftsmanship of the sneaker. I know some people probably like, man, I ain't too worried about it, it's no biggie, but when you start seeing pairs with these crazy quality control issues and stuff like that, that's when your antennas are gonna be like, hold on, Jordan Brand, hold on, Nike, we see what y'all doing. Nike knows that they can come out with a Chicago one, a Black Cement 3, without even putting too much thought into the actual quality of the sneaker, and they know they're gonna sell it. But they slapped Remastered on it. They, took away the Reimagined spin off on it, but they came back and said, we're gonna make it an OG cut, OG shape, OG colorway and stuff like that. And I tell you, bro, it does not even have the look to, look or the effect or the illusion of it having good quality, bro. The pairs that I seen on Instagram today, they all had some crazy flat leather quality. And guess what? I'm referring back to the 2016 pair of the True Blues. They didn't care what they did with these. They didn't care about the quality. They didn't care about none of that, bro. They just dropped them and said, hey, go ahead and buy it. And so when I made that video talking about, the Alma Manier ruined it for the Black Cement 3s, that is what I'm talking about, bro. That is what I'm talking about. There's no way that the pair that dropped back in 2018, 2019 Black Cements has better quality overall than a newer pair that they know we want. We know they don't want some good quality, but they know we want some good quality, some good leather. We don't want that crazy stiff action. We want some nice bounce back action, just like we got with the Alma Manier 3s. But it looked like that is not the case at all. And it's a huge, huge bummer, man. How do you go from this to this, bro? How do you do that? I just don't understand. And not even, we're gonna give this a little bit more credit. How do you go from this to the pair that we're gonna be getting in a couple of months, bro? I don't know. I don't understand. I don't know what happened. I don't know if Jordan Brand is like, you know what? Just give them whatever. We don't care about the softness of the leather. We don't care about the quality overall. Let's just mass produce these things, push out these remasters. It's in the cycle for them to come back out, and hey, consumers, go ahead and buy them up. Now people are gonna be going back to my other video and they're gonna be like, yo, I see what he was talking about. I see what he's talking about. And that is specifically what it pertains to, the overall quality. As much as people don't want to hear about it, as much as people don't want to see me even come on YouTube talking about it, when you get pairs in hand, and we start seeing pairs float around on Instagram, on YouTube, you're gonna be like, yo, that is crazy. It's a crazy drop off because, you know, it takes Jordan and Nike to go with a collab brand like A La Meilleure, like Nina Chanel, like LA Chicago, or Unit LA, for them to give us some actually good quality. But in terms of everything else, in terms of the nostalgic sneakers, I guess you can look back and be like, you know what? You know, they didn't really care about the quality. Even talking about the military blue forest. The military blue forest probably had the craziest, you know, downside because, you know, it got the reimagined forest. Nice tumble leather. I wouldn't say they're, you know, better than the A La Meilleures, but it has some pretty good leather. And then you drop the military blues and it's just like, yo, what happened? Like, what just happened? How do you go from, you know, this to that? It doesn't make any sense, but it all does make sense because Nike don't care, bro. Nike does not care. And I'm not putting too much thought or too much, what can you say, emotions into it, because I feel like some people be too emotional when it comes to these shoes. You know, we up here, we talking about it, we just keeping it real. We see what Nike is doing. If you guys rock with sneakers or you rock with your boy DeVintage, you know what we'll be up on here doing. We are exposing the lies of Nike and exposing the truths of Nike and Jordan Brand and how they do us, man. So everybody else talking trash in my last video, man, I need a couple of apologies, bro, because y'all gonna be like, hold on, why didn't y'all give us this nice quality just like we got on the A La Meilleures on this upcoming release of the Black Cement 3s, bro? It's just to be expected, man. It's really to be expected. I don't think too many people was like shocked by it, but when you throw Remastered on it, and you think about all the other remastered Jordans that we have gotten in the past, the quality was better, the presentation was better, you know, pretty much the whole nine was better in terms of the remastered line, I guess you could say. So, you know, we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see how many pairs come out super flat like I've seen. When I seen it on Instagram today, I say, you know what, that's gonna be the video for today. I got a bunch of other videos I was gonna do today. I say, you know what, forget all that. We gotta talk about these black cements. So I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section, man, how do you feel about them, bro? How do you feel about us going from this 2018, 2019 pair of black cements to the 2024? It's like they're going backwards. Like, you should be going forward, giving us some good quality, giving us some good leather, giving us all that stuff, but you're raising the retail price for one, and you're going back in the quality. It just don't add up. It does not add up, but maybe you guys can help me out in the comment section. But let me know if you're gonna be snagging a pair. I might even just, you know, I'm gonna get a pair early just for you guys, you know, the opportunity presented itself. So I'm gonna get a pair early for you guys. But shit, should I even keep them? I mean, this pair is still in pretty good condition. I've been wearing them to the gym, but they're still good. And the quality on this pair is better than the 2024 pair coming out. That makes no sense at all, man. And for everybody that does have the 2016 True Blues, I want you guys to compare the 2018 or the 2024 pair that we're about to get for these remastered Air Jordan 3 black cements. And I want you to, you know, check out this pair. You're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. This super, you know, stiff, I can't even come with enough words to describe this one. But this actually might turn into my new gym shoe because the quality ain't that good, ain't that comfortable. So I guess I can beat these things in the ground, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully next year we get a new pair of True Blues. I think that the Air Jordan 3 Wizard PE was supposed to be the True Blues, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe you guys can help me out in the comment section. I think that was something I was trying to lead that towards. But hopefully we do get like this True Blue Air Jordan 3 2 come back out with Nike Air, some softer leather, please, for the love of God. And we'll go from there, man. With all the stuff coming out in 2025, I wouldn't be surprised if we got, you know what I'm saying, the Air Jordan 3 True Blue, because there's so much stuff coming out. I don't even understand, bro. Like, we're gonna be spending bread, we're gonna be digging deep in our pockets, and we're gonna be spending some money on these Jordans, on these Nikes, because it's gonna be crazy, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in the fall off of the remastered Air Jordan 3s. We didn't want to see it. We didn't want it to happen, but we got the A La Meilleure 3 quality, and then we got the remastered black cements. It's crazy. It's like night and day, bro. What is going on here, man? Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit that like button, hit the notification bell as well, so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over in the channel. And while it's been said, man, your boy DeVintage and the Black Dewey is gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.